Welcome back. My name is Hilary. In previous lesson, we learned what program is and install VS Code. Today, we're going to prepare ourselves as real web developers. Before writing code, you must first understand how websites work. All right? Come to think, imagine you want to build a house. Before laying block, you need land, building plans, foundations, and materials. The same thing applies to websites. All right? Before coding, we need a project folder, VS Code, a web browser. Without all this, you cannot build a website comfortably. After you organize all this, the second step is what is a website? A website is a simple collection of different pages. Just think of it, a building. Inside a building, you will see a parlor, a bedroom, toilets, and other things. Example, just like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Jumia. Every website you visit made up of a pages. In combination of all the whole pages, you can able to see a website standing firm. The three major technology we are going to use to build a website. The first one is HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML helps you to create a structure like heading, paragraph, image, and button. Think of HTML as a web used to build a house. After that, the next step is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Styling Sheets. CSS makes the website beautiful. Think of it as paint, decorations, and furniture in a building. That's what beautifies a house. After building a house, without decorating it, painting, apply furnitures, you know that the website cannot be beautiful. Then after that, we'll now go to another one called PHP. PHP just helps you to make your website dynamic. Login system, registration system, contact form, dashboard. All right? After building a house, you don't have plumber, you don't have electricity. Then it doesn't make sense. Then after that, another thing to understand is how to create your first project folder. How do we create our first? Well, you right click on your desktop page, then go to new, then click on folder. Then you name your project whatever you want. In case of mine, I'm going to give it Codeva. So the first thing to understand, you don't use, just put hyphen or underscore. It's okay. Then after that, then you go to your Visual Studio Code. All right. Then once you go to Visual Studio Code, click on File. Then go to your Open folder. Here, click on it. Then look for the desktop. In the desktop, look for the folder you created. Click on Desktop. This is my own. Then you click on it. Then select folder. So once you select the folder, it automatically pop into your Visual Studio Code. So look at your folder here. So the second step is now to create your index page. Understand? So to create your index page, this particular icons you are seeing here, this one, if you hover on it, you see new folder, new file, which is help you to create a new file. This particular one will help you to create a new folder. And this one will help you to refresh the Explorer. In case you have any hidden files here, it will help you to get all the file out so you can be seeing it. So the first thing to do is to click on this, your icon, which is create file, then give it an index. .html as a file extension. So in this case, after giving it a name, this index file is just acting in a building, just like entrance of a building. Understand? So this HTML, this index.html is an entrance to our web page. Is the first page that lands whenever we launch our website. So after that, then the next thing is to create your first blueprint of a web page. You click Shift, exclamation mark, then you see this abbreviation, then you click on the first one, or you click Enter. Once you click on it, it will generate a blueprint of your web page. So after that, you have already created your first web page. Then you click Ctrl X, or you go to your file, then click save. It will save your website. Then how do you test your website? There's many ways of testing your website. You can click on run here, then you can start your debugging, or you go to your page, your desktop, then locate that your folder. Once you locate your folder, then double click on the file you see there, which is your index.html. Once you double click on it, then the page will open in a browser, your default browser. So if you watch this page here now, and notice that the title have changed. So you have started your project, your web design comfortably. So coming back to our project here, the next thing to do is to understand the elements in HTML. After understanding the element, then we'll now learn about the attributes we're going to use. Come to think, okay, in this particular doc type, is telling you that the doc type we're using is, that we're working on is HTML. Then the language we're using is English. Then in this header now, this meta chasset will help you to view your page in a mobile phone, or depends on the screen you're using. It will help you to size your web page in a particular screen. Then this particular title will tell you the particular page you are when user visits your web page. You know, if you have a page like profile, you can name it profile and series of it. If you have homepage, you can name it homepage. Then when you refresh your browser and check, you can see that our this have changed. So this place have changed to profile. Have you seen it? So that is it. Video. I'm going to teach you how to understand and know the functions of HTML element and attributes. Thank you very much, Eva Hillary.